Hey everybody, it's Frank. Gonna do a little playing today with ChatGPT and see how well it works in regards to cleaning up an Etsy account. Basically, core focus today is going to be really just focusing on the descriptions, maybe clean up some of the headers, and go through this, see if we can optimize it a little bit better than where it is, and see if we can spike some sales on this account. So let's go for it and let's see how it works. So obviously you need a GPT account to get in, and it's pretty straightforward just on how to put everything in. So let's start off with let's just keep it simple and go right with the description. And this one I believe was made in Bali. So let's go product description for, oops, hope if I can spell today. Image from Bali. Let's go for it and see what it does. It's amazing how easy this platform makes it for this. Let's get a little more detailed. Make it more detailed. There we go. This really makes things easy, definitely, with creating product descriptions, because then kind of really have as a baseline, and then you can go in here and kind of make it a little bit of your own, personalize it, but at least a lot of the hard work is pretty much done. I mean, this is getting pretty detailed, and I like everything it's saying. Perfect. Let's do this. Let's copy it up. Let's go in here and replace some of this stuff. This is some old stuff in here. Got that. Let's clean up some of this stuff as well. Crafted, simple cracking. Change the temperature. Nice. So now we get a nice detailed description, a lot of good keywords in here as well, and let's see what else we can make this program do. Let's see, give me a good product title. See if it'll clean up the title. See what's in there right now. Currently the title is that. See if we can make it even more. Title for Etsy with keywords. Very interesting. We'll go through that with the client and see which one they like best. Let's see if we can get a little more detail. Let's go into the tags. Let's do top selling Etsy tags for wind chimes. See what it gives us. So it's difficult to predict tags. There we go. Some of these like outdoor decor. Let's see if it's already in here. Some of this stuff I don't think is really needed. Let's get rid of that. Let's do outdoor decor. That's a good one. Garden decor. Let's do hanging decor. It is a wind chime. Let's do, which one? A lot of duplicates in here. Let's get rid of that one. Hanging decor. Patio, tiki, hanging. See what other common chime. Well, that should be it. Alright, so that was kind of a quick little introduction in regards to utilizing ChatGPT to give us a little bit more of a better product description for this Etsy listing for bamboo wind chimes. And I'm going to go through this a little bit more, maybe personalize it, but definitely a fantastic start to, get some good descriptions in here, some good keywords, and also, nice and detailed. So that's it for today. Until the next video, and see you then.